On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix reconnection problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. You go to settings on your phone. Now this is the settings page. As you can see, you will find all the options right here. Just go to the apps and then go to the apps again right here on this page. As you can see, you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Search for WhatsApp and click on it. Now after you click on WhatsApp, this is the app informations page. Or what you have to do here is click on the notifications management option, scroll down until you find call notifications. Click on it and make sure to enable all the notifications right here on this option. Now go back to the app information and click on the force stop, and that's it. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.